There's academic writing and there's writing for the journalism world.
That's not something you're taught in graduate school or receive on-the-job training.
Both involve different skills, different approaches.
Learning about the publishing process, learning about the advantages and disadvantages with going with different routes of writing.
Can you tell us briefly what your teams came up with?
I wrote something that touched on many of the same issues.
I'm Kristal Brent Zook, and my 30 years of experience in journalism and academia can help you take your writing to the next level and to new markets. My workshop, From Ivory Tower to Breaking News, teaches faculty how to pitch their ideas to mainstream news outlets like the New York Times, the Washington Post, anywhere that you'd like to be seen.
A good way to pitch a story is, hi, this is what I want to argue.
Raise your visibility and influence.
Since this training, I've published probably around 10 different op-ed pieces.
No matter what your field of study or subject matter, I can teach you those tricks of the trade and tools to help you get seen.
Just making the contacts to different non-academic media outlets is worth $1 million.